Kubuntu is a community-developed and supported project. Since its launch in October 2004, Kubuntu has become one of the most highly regarded Linux distributions with millions of users around the world. Our mission is to provide the latest stable KDE software, which includes the flagship project Plasma, our desktop environment on top of a stable Ubuntu core. We release in 6 monthly cycles, following the same freezes, milestones as Ubuntu. Kubuntu will always be free to download, free to use and free to distribute to others. With these goals in mind, Kubuntu aims to be the most widely used Linux system, and is the center of a global open-source software ecosystem. The Kubuntu team is happy to announce that Kubuntu 23.04 has been released, featuring the beautiful KDE Plasma 5.27 simple by default, powerful when needed. Codenamed Lunar Lobster, Kubuntu 23.04 continues our tradition of giving you friendly computing by integrating the latest and greatest open source technologies into a high-quality, easy-to-use Linux distribution. Under the hood, there have been updates to many core packages, including a new 6.2 based kernel, KDE Frameworks 5.104, KDE Plasma 5.27 and KDE Gear 22.12. Kubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster is a version of the Kubuntu operating system released in April 2023. As an official flavor of Ubuntu, Kubuntu is based on the same core system but features the KDE Plasma desktop environment instead of GNOME. This version, like other Kubuntu releases, is named with an adjective and an animal that share the same first letter, in this case, lunar, and lobster. Key features and improvements in Kubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster include KDE Plasma version. Lunar Lobster comes with the latest KDE Plasma version, which offers a more polished and feature-rich experience. This version focuses on stability, performance improvements, and new features that enhance usability and customization options. Updated applications. Kubuntu 23.04 includes the latest versions of KDE applications such as Dolphin, File Manager, Kate, Text Editor, Console, Terminal Emulator, and Krita, Digital Painting and Illustration Tool. These applications have received bug fixes and performance improvements. New Software Center. The revamped Software Center in Kubuntu 23.04 makes it easier for users to discover and manage applications. It offers better search functionality, user reviews, and app recommendations. Improved hardware support. Lunar Lobster includes the latest Linux kernel, which offers improved support for newer hardware, such as graphics cards, CPUs, and other peripherals. This ensures a better out-of-the-box experience for users with the latest hardware. Enhanced security. Kubuntu 23.04 incorporates the latest security patches and updates to ensure the system is protected against known vulnerabilities. It also includes security enhancements, such as App Armor and SE-Linux, to provide a more secure environment for users. ZFS support. Kubuntu 23.04 offers improved support for the ZFS file system, making it easier to manage storage devices, snapshots, and data redundancy. Optimized performance. Lunar Lobster comes with various performance improvements, such as faster boot times, improved application launch times, and overall system responsiveness. Wayland support. Kubuntu 23.04 has better support for the Wayland display server, providing a smoother and more secure graphical experience. Overall, Kubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster offers a more polished, stable, and feature-rich experience to users who prefer the KDE Plasma desktop environment. With its improved performance, hardware support, and updated applications, this release is suitable for both new and experienced users who want a customizable and user-friendly operating system. KDE Frameworks and Qt. Lunar Lobster comes with the latest versions of KDE Frameworks and the Qt application framework. These updates bring various improvements to the underlying libraries and components, resulting in a more stable and efficient system. Night color. Kubuntu 23.04 introduces improved night color settings, allowing users to customize the color temperature and brightness of the display during night hours. This feature aims to reduce eye strain and promote better sleep patterns. System settings. The system settings in Lunar Lobster have been revamped to make it more organized and user-friendly. The new layout provides a more intuitive experience for users when customizing their system preferences. KDE Connect. Kubuntu 23.04 includes the latest version of KDE Connect, which allows users to integrate their Android devices with their Kubuntu desktop. This enables features such as notification syncing, file sharing, and remote control of media playback. KWin Window Manager. The KWin Window Manager in Kubuntu 23.04 has been updated with performance improvements and new features like improved multi-monitor support, better touchscreen support, and enhanced window tiling. Flatpak and Snap support. Lunar Lobster offers better support for Flatpak and Snap packages, which makes it easy for users to install applications from different sources with improved security and isolation. Improved accessibility. Kubuntu 23.04 has made strides in improving the accessibility of the operating system. This includes better support for screen readers, high contrast themes, and keyboard navigation. New wallpaper. As with every release, Kubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster features a new default wallpaper, showcasing the beautiful and unique Lunar Lobster artwork. Bug fixes and minor enhancements. Kubuntu 23.04 includes numerous bug fixes and minor enhancements that contribute to a smoother user experience. These improvements range from fixing application crashes to enhancing the overall look and feel of the system. In summary, Kubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster offers a well-rounded operating system for users who prefer the KDE Plasma desktop environment. With significant updates, new features, and improvements to existing applications, this release provides a highly customizable and stable platform for a wide range of users.